Ever since Uwell introduced the original Caliburn pod system, they've set the gold standard for delivering exceptional flavor production while maintaining a deeply satisfying MTL style draw. And as time marches on, the anticipation for the next exciting addition to their already successful lineup continues to build. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Uwell Caliburn G3 25 watt pod system, featuring a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, 25 watt max power output, utilizing a dual firing mode, adjustable wattage level, displayed on an OLED screen, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 3 ml refillable pod, offering an integrated mesh coil dedicated to producing great tasting flavors and vapor production. Before we get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Caliburn G3 pod system by Uwell. And here we have the new Caliburn G3 pod system provided to us as a sample by Uwell, the newest addition to the Caliburn series. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, the G3 offers a compact form factor build, completed in this matte style finish, available in 6 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the blue edition for today's review. Integrating a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, the Caliburn G3 delivers a max power output of 25 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device will utilize dual firing features, offering both manual pressing and auto draw activation. Here we have our large firing button with the Caliburn G3 logo up front. We also have our OLED display screen rested below, and a Type-C USB charge port at the base of the device. Up top we have a refillable Caliburn G3 pod, offering a frosted design pod structure, dual-sided viewing windows with a magnetic pod connection, side fill system housing up to 3 ml of e-liquid, backed with Uwell's Pro FOCS flavor testing technology, integrating a built-in mesh coil structure, delivering a tight MTL style draw and satisfying flavor production. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase the wattage level, battery bar, puff record, coil resistance, and selected firing mode. Press the firing button 3 times to adjust the wattage level, increasing in increments of 1 with a max power output of 25 watts, featuring round robin. Now if we press the firing button 2 times, we can adjust the firing mode, switching between strictly button pressing, auto draw activation, or dual firing modes. The package will include the Caliburn G3 battery device with a 3 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh coil, best recommended at 25 watts, a secondary Caliburn G3 pod with a pre-installed 0.9 ohm mesh coil, best recommended at 15 watts, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, a user manual.